Turning now to tragic news from Brighton, a construction worker killed on the job.
Yeah, police say the man was run over by a dump truck early this morning, and a person is already in custody after the crash. Our Greg Nieto joining us with the new details live in this case. Greg?
Yeah, Jeremy, you talk to Brighton police and they say this is still a very active investigation. They're still looking for any video or any witnesses they can speak with. As for now, not a whole lot of either. In a section of Brighton better suited to the slow lane than the fast one, where this morning's sunrise was as magical of a view as tonight's sunset. Now, here near East 144th Avenue in Chambers, the site of a terrible, tragic turn.
Anytime there's something like this at a construction site, it's absolutely terrible.
Brighton police say this morning at about 9:30, a crash happens between members of two separate contractor companies claiming the life of a 65-year-old man.
Semi-truck that was delivering asphalt collided with one of the construction workers, and unfortunately the construction worker died on scene.
The area they're working in, part of a new housing development. The 46-year-old driver operating the dump truck.
They were cooperative and we did arrest them for careless driving causing death.
No drugs or alcohol suspected. But this investigation on the outskirts of a town that will soon add to its skyline, far from over.
I think the biggest impact is for those construction workers that deal with this all the time, being out in the dangers of it with the big trucks.
Detectives have released the ages but not the names of those involved. In Brighton, Greg Nieto, Fox 31.